play no games, I ain't like them lames, no. Yeah. You got me speeding in the fast lane, pedal to the floor, man, tryna get back to your love. Yeah, you my little busted baby, you make me go crazy. Of you, I can't get enough. I swear you got me speeding in the fast lane, pedal to the floor, man. Ooh, no, I can't get enough.
What's up, PD? I about Lil Drae. Today I'm back with another prank on Poopie. Look, so y'all, right now she in a tub, and earlier she told me she took her braids down because she had braids to put her wig on. She took it down, and she got a little twist, and she said she gonna wash her hair. So this what I got. Got the blow dry. So guess what else I got with the blow dry? Flour. Right up, guys. Check it out though. So I'ma plug it up. Well, no, yeah. I'ma already have it to do. So it's plugged up. I hope the flour don't fall out so she won't see it, but if it do, I'ma find something to put the back of it. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna start this back up and I'm gonna what's up, y'all? So look, I finally cleaned it out as much as I can. Got the little dust out so she won't notice nothing. And that part, yeah. I cleaned this one. Okay, so I cleaned that. I cleaned the white part out the hose. All that's coming off. And yeah. I cleaned the evidence up, you feel me? But yeah, she's sitting in the tub right now. Sitting right there. Hopefully she don't get too mad. Hopefully she don't kill me. But yeah, Team Lil Drae. Team Lil Drae. Are y'all ready for this, bro? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe under this video, fool. You feel me? This is gonna be a banger, you feel me? No cap. Look, yeah. Comment down below, Team Lil Drae. Or if y'all Team Poopie, comment down below, but I'm out.
Lord. What she called me? What she called me? Oh Lord. No weapon, nigga, no. La 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 la. La 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 pop. La 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 la. Hair is wet. Dripping everywhere. Come on, dude. You're doing too much. 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 Doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing. Serious. Playing with me, bro. Drae! Why you do this shit? Why would you do this? That shit not fucking funny.
What happened? Why all the stuff on the floor like this?
That shit not funny.
What happened?
That's lame. That shit lame.
Let me bend down, let me see.
Don't
Bend down. I didn't do that though.
Look at my I just wiped.
I didn't do that, dude.
It's a
You been doing all that stuff, bro.
move so I can spit, bro. Before I spit on you.
Why you trying to blame it on me?
Else will do this.
I don't know. I don't use no blow dryer. I got a do-rag on my head. You out of there, bro. Don't put no move, man.
Like, come on.
Quit playing, bro.
Why would you do something like that? Really?
That wasn't me.
Who was it?
I don't know. I ain't asked Todd Tavy. I didn't do that.
They not here.
They must have did it earlier yesterday. I don't
No,
know.
because I just seen it. Don't nobody play but you. Why would you
That
do
was
that?
not me, bro.
Who put, what is this?
Bend down, let me see. Come on, let's get it out.
Don't touch me.
Bend down, let's get it out.
Don't touch me.
I didn't do it. I'm just trying to help you.
Get it out. Nigga, if you wouldn't have did it, it wouldn't have been in there.
I didn't do that. I'm trying to tell you.
Who did it? Who did it? Who did it? Oh, you
Yeah,
did
see.
it. Don't touch me.
Come on, let's
Move.
see.
Move. Why would you do that?
Trying to get it out.
Bro, stop touching
Look in the
me.
mirror, look right here.
I see it. Like, it's a lot at the back.
I
Look.
didn't do that though.
Who did it?
I don't know. That wasn't me.
You need to grow up like this right here. You don't do nothing like that.
Why you call me?
Look at my hair.
That's
Walk
fake.
out. What you doing? You constantly playing.
Let me see.
My hair really.
Stop getting on me.
Stop getting on you. You got it on me.
So you try to cut the blow jar and just shout out?
But you know what it was gonna do. You knew exactly what it was gonna do.
It was probably Ty.
No, it was probably you.
I heard when she came to the restroom early.
No. Like,
So you got it there for? I didn't do that, dude.
Childish.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me. Like, that shit lame.
Clean this mess here, bro.
You got me up. I ain't clean the thing. Get that shit, like, you don't play like that with somebody's hair. If somebody did that to you with them nappy ass dreads, I'm not laughing. Like, look at my hair, bro. Now I gotta get back in the tub, wash my hair again. No, that's dumb.
Damn,
Look,
bro.
it's everywhere.
That's crazy.
You just don't give a fuck about nobody.
Look. Gotcha.
It's not a prank because you still.
We got her, y'all. I'm sweating. We got her.
It's not a prank because.
Did we get her, man? Let me show them.
Don't fucking touch me.
Show them.
Bro, get that shit off of me. Fuck fucking ugly than.
Well, let's see.
Look at my move.
Smash that like button. Smash that comment button. We got it, bro. Team was real. I'm telling y'all, bro. She got me with the
flower on me.
She got me like the last two videos. She got me, but look, check this out though.
Look at it.
That's not flower.
This is. I seen it when it was a blob on my chest.
Oops.
I know how flower look, nigga. You childish. Nigga told some that's not flower. Nigga, I'm not dumb. If I hurt you,
Bro, stop fucking shit, bro. Okay, move, because he playing too much. My bad. Bye, y'all.
The fuck?
We love y'all.
Hey, y'all. Just got back in the tub. Look at what I'm gonna do. Pour the whole thing of flour away.
Hey, what the fuck is you doing? Bro, you see I'm washing my fucking hair. Why you putting this shit back in my fucking hair? That shit not funny. Bro, that shit not funny for real, bro. You still haven't just seen my fucking hair. That shit lame. You can go to fuck up like you a lame ass nigga. That shit not funny. You see I'm washing my hair. You don't want to play. Get out. Lame ass.
Bye, y'all. Look. Say bye, Poopie.
No, get the fuck out.
Bitches play your part and we gon' see just what that do. I'm in love with all that you stand for and